Himachal Pradesh, bisi snichisni, songchamani salno, haste ohbo palaijakha. Tripura Tajbhavan hastepha Indrasena Reddy nallo Himachal Pradesh ni kuchuk achukthai tgjak adong rokno tino songchamani sal palaijakha. Tai hastepha rokno risai yapari dikha. Aboni yagulo o sal palaijakmani kok rokno tino hastepha kok narakha.
Breathtaking natural beauty with the snow-capped mountains, lush valleys, sparkling rivers, and dense forests that attract tourists from all over the world. We know that previously most of the films used to shootings take place in Simla. Without Simla, there was no films generally in those days. The state is home to several popular hill stations like Simla, Manali, Dharmshala, and Dalhouse, which offer stunning landscape, pleasant weather, and numerous adventure sports opportunities. Just like our brigadier already told regarding sports events, everything. Himachal Pradesh is also known for its rich biodiversity with several national parks and wildlife sanctuaries that are home to rare and endangered species like snow leopards, Himalayan musk deer, and western dragon. Himachal Pradesh has a diverse cultural heritage with each region having its unique customs, traditions, and festivals. The people of Himachal Pradesh are known for their warm hospitality, and their culture is deeply rooted in their connection with nature and their reverence for deities. The state is famous for its colorful festival like Kulu Dashara, Simla Summer Festival, and Mandi Shivaratri, which showcase the traditional music, dances, and art of the region. Himachali cuisine is another highlight with dishes like dam, sidhu, and patra being popular among locals and tourists alike. Himachal Day is a special occasion that celebrates the rich culture, history, and natural beauty of Himachal Pradesh. It is a day to honor the formation of the state and appreciate its unique tradition, customs, and landscapes with its stunning mountains, warm hospitality. Again, I am repeating the same. Once again, I thank the members of Himachal Pradesh people and all my Tajbhavan staff for holding this program and expressing our oneness with the Himachal people. Thank you.
Agotala Nisimi, Pranami Kokto, Bureau Report, Khumpui.